Imagine this. You wake up in the morning checking your website, and boom, your hosting company has suspended your site because of a copyright complaint. Your traffic drops, your income stops, and your website shows only one message. This content has been taken down due to a copyright violation. Scary, right? Hi everyone, I'm Olivia and you're watching ABC Hosting. In today's video, I'll explain how copyright strikes work for websites, how DMCA complaints actually affect your site, and how you can protect your content. Stay with me. This video can literally save your website one day. Copyright basically means ownership. If someone writes an article, creates an image, designs a logo, makes a video, or even produces a simple graphic, they own that content. Using someone's content on your website without permission can lead to a DMCA complaint or a copyright strike, which can get your content removed. When we talk about websites, a copyright strike usually happens in the form of a DMCA takedown notice. This notice is sent to your hosting provider, telling them that some of the content on your site belongs to someone else. If your hosting provider accepts DMCA, what happens next? They contact you, they may remove the content, or sometimes they suspend your website until you fix the issue. This can affect your traffic, SEO, and even your business. When someone finds their content copied or misused, they send a DMCA complaint to your host. Most regular hosting companies instantly take action, sometimes without even giving you proper time to respond. A DMCA-based strike can cause content removal, temporary suspension, full website takedown in serious cases. Loss of data if the provider doesn't cooperate. So you have to be very careful. The best way to stay safe from copyright issues on your website is by following a few simple rules. Never copy-paste articles or blog posts from other websites. Google punishes plagiarism, and DMCA complaints hit even harder. 2. Use copyright-free or licensed images. No Google images. Use proper stock websites. 3. Don't use copyrighted videos, software, scripts, or files. 4. Create original written content. 5. If you take inspiration, rewrite properly. Don't duplicate. 6. Always check licenses for themes, plugins, and scripts you use. These habits protect your website from takedowns and also improve your SEO. Now let me introduce a hosting provider many privacy-focused website owners trust. qloudhost. qloudhost is known as one of the best DMCA-ignored offshore hosting providers, which means they don't blindly take down your website due to false DMCA reports. Their offshore jurisdictions offer strong privacy protection. They give your content more stability. Their servers are fast, secure, and reliable. Perfect for users who deal with unfair or spam DMCA complaints. To be clear, this does not mean hosting illegal content is allowed. But if you want strong privacy and freedom from unnecessary takedowns, qloudhost is one of the best choices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to ABC Hosting for more helpful content like this. And if you still have any questions or confusion, feel free to comment below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.